So last class we discussed about polynomial. Polynomial means that is a p. It is a combination of constant plus term and non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means this is the value. This is constant. This is the variable, and this total term is called term. And the power of x, the power of x to the power 0. This x to the power 0 is called non-negative integers. Because the main thing in the polynomial, the degree should be, the power of x should not be negative. The power of x should not be negative. Suppose we are taking the example 2x plus 3 root x. This is the polynomial. What is the power of x? X to the power should be equal to 1 by 2. Root means 1 by 2. So the power is in the fraction. So this is also not the polynomial. And if the power should be like it 2x plus 3 x to the power minus 1, this is the polynomial? No. Why? Because the power of x is negative. So always remember that the polynomial, the highest, the power of variable should be always non-negative. Non-negative integers matlab 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. It's not should be in a fraction, not should be in a minus 1. Got it? So first of all, we have to understand one more thing. X to the power n. What is x to the power n? What is n? This is the 0 order, first, second, up to n. So we can say this is n order, n number of degree. So what is the degree? So now today we are going to discuss about degree of polynomial. What is degree of polynomial? So better we have to understand degree of polynomial. We can rearrange this thing. We can rearrange. So we are able to rearrange the polynomial like a n x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 in the decreasing order up to so much. On the base a n minus 2 x to the power 2 n minus 2. I am taking only 3 examples. Suppose if the degree of the order 0 degree. 0 degree means only we have to put in place of n 0. So this is what is the value? a0 x to the power 0. Second term a 0 minus 1 x to the power 0 minus 1. So now 0 minus 1 is negative and this is negative. So this is negative. So this is not the polynomial. So only what is the value? a0 x to the power 0. So a0 x to the power 0 means only the constant term is here. So 0 degree, it's called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Understood? Now again, if I am putting n is equal to 1, if I am taking 1 degree means n is equal to 1. Now a1 x to the power 1 plus a 1 minus 1 0 x to the power 1 minus 1 0 plus a 1 minus 2 x 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is negative. Again, it is not possible. So how many left? That is a1 x plus a0 x 0. So this is the linear form of polynomial. This is the constant polynomial. The constant polynomial at 0 degree. Linear polynomial, linear. Polynomial is, that is when n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 2, if I am putting n is equal to 2, what is n is equal to 2? So that is a2 x square plus a1 x1 plus a, n plus, in place of n we have to substitute 0, a0 x0. So this is quadratic polynomial. If n is equal to 3, then it is a3 x3 plus a2 x2 plus a1 x1 plus a0 x0. So this is cubic polynomial. Always remember that if you are putting n is equal to 0, that is constant polynomial. If n is equal to 1, that is linear. So standard form we can be able to understand what is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial basic example is 2. In the linear polynomial, what is the example? Ax plus b. Quadratic, that is ax square plus bx plus c. And what is cubical? ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus t. This is the basic form of the polynomials. So understand what is the zero degree of polynomial?